Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change or edit customer review text next to product star in WooCommerce single product page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in product page. Now you see two customer reviews. Go to another product. Now you see one customer review. So different is S. Back to product again. Now you see reviews because this product has two review. Now go to product without any review. Now refresh the page. Now you don't see any customer review section or text. So we are going to change customer review text. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now you see create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see text customer user review and then you see customer user reviews, so you can customize this text according to your requirement. So this text for single review, and then you see customer user reviews, so this text for more than one review product. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see two customer reviews. Now refresh the page. Now you see text is updated. Two customer user reviews. Back to another product with single review. Now refresh the page. Now you see one customer user review. Now go to product page with no review. Refresh the page. Now you see 0 customer user reviews. So back to code, so you can add your text here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.